Welcome to another edition of the show Claymore vs. Clipboard. The Drew McIntyre vs. Adam Pearce lawsuit factor fiction. What's going down in the squared circle, folks? Today we are diving deep into a rumor that's been swirling around the WWE Universe like a hurricane clothesline. A potential lawsuit between Drew McIntyre and Adam Pearce. Buckle up, because this story involves frustration money, fines, and enough kayfabe confusion to leave you wondering if it's real or a work. Please, before we continue, do not forget to like and subscribe. Let's rewind to the explosive events of WWE Money in the Bank 2024. Drew McIntyre emerged victorious in the grueling men's Money in the Bank ladder match, a win that sent the crowd into a frenzy. Anticipation hung thick in the air as McIntyre cashed in his contract on an unsuspecting Damian Priest, who was battling Seth Rollins for the WWE Championship. Then, disaster struck. CM Punk, returning from a dramatic hiatus, interfered in the match, costing McIntyre the gold. The Scottish psychopath was apoplectic. Cameras captured him fuming backstage, eventually leading to a confrontation with Adam Pearce, the ever-present Raw general manager. Things escalated quickly. McIntyre, fueled by frustration, shoved Pearce, who promptly suspended him indefinitely. Both wrestlers were fined an undisclosed amount. Was this just another angle in the grand WWE narrative, or a legitimate clash that could spill into the courtroom? Separating reality from wrestling's scripted world, known as kayfabe, can be tricky. Here's what we know: wrestlers have sued the company in the past over injuries and health issues. However, lawsuits between wrestlers and management for on-screen altercations are rare. Contractual obligations: wrestlers sign contracts that give WWE creative control over their characters and storylines. This includes potentially portraying conflict with authority figures like Pearce. Both McIntyre and Pearce have remained relatively quiet on social media regarding a potential lawsuit. This could be a strategic move to keep the storyline alive, or an indication that it's all part of the show. Adding another layer to the intrigue is Drew McIntyre's legal representation. His real-life wife, Caitlin, real name Catherine Burkhill, is a lawyer. While there's no confirmation of her involvement in a potential lawsuit against WWE, her legal expertise adds fuel to the rumor fire. Let's not forget the hefty fines levied by Pearce. Wrestlers often express frustration with on-screen decisions, but resorting to a lawsuit over a storyline, especially considering the financial penalties involved, seems far-fetched. WWE might use fines as a kayfabe punishment, discouraging outbursts while maintaining kayfabe. Here's the thing. Without concrete evidence, a lawsuit seems improbable. WWE storylines often push boundaries, but legal action would require a demonstrable breach of contract or some form of harm beyond the realm of kayfabe. At this point, all signs point to a creative storyline. It's a classic wrestling trope. The disgruntled wrestler challenging authority. It injects heat, fan interest, into the narrative.